Hi, Joel from JST Woodcraft Q&A series. Today we are doing a replacement for the ink cartridge on the Concava style pens. All right, this is a tube replacement pen also. So here we are going to pull the two tubes apart, making sure that we don't lose this decorative ring here. And so you got the tubes pulled apart. We're going to release the ink cartridge. We're going to replace the ink cartridge, making sure not to overly tighten it. And we're going to push the two tubes back together, and we have our new ink replacement. Ink replacement Concava Styles pen.